Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the bearing capacity of the composite column, which is made with the concrete column and the reinforcement as the steel reinforcement. Inside that we have a steel beam as a core and the steel column, and this is a steel beam, and we apply the load on the steel beam, and you can see the deformation here of the column. Let me check it in this view here, and let me remove this and just replace the beam and column. You can see, let me click on animate. See, this is the stress and the deformation of the beam and column. We can check ductile damage. For that, it has happened at the joint. Also, we use weld condition here for these two, plastic strain or anything else. Now let me replace the concrete to check the stiffness degradation. The compression damage happen at the joint, and then the tension. The tension is reached maximum value. It is around 1. And the other variables like displacement or like the stress. Now let me remove the beam, column, and the column, and here this is the steel reinforcement. Let me replace all here. You can see, or we can replace concrete. Check the tension damage or stiffness degradation. So if you need to model this composite column with a steel beam and a steel column and reinforcement, here you can see that the reinforcement, you can use this tutorial. Also, I forgot this force displacement diagram. Here we have a force displacement as the maximum value here. This is the maximum bearing capacity of this composite system of composite column, and then we have decreasing capacity here, and it means the failure happen here, and this is the maximum. It is around 1.2 meganewton as the maximum force capacity for this composite column under axial load or normal load on the beam. So if you want this tutorial and learn about it, the geometry, step interaction, load, material, this is important, the material, step interaction and load, you can come to our website here, abacusfem.com. Find the English tutorial. You can search the title in the search section in the website, then click on the title or blue sign. Then you will have title, short explanation about the geometry, assembly here, a step, a load, traction, mesh, anything, and the result as figures. You can see that. The cost for the INPCAE English video file and paper as a reference is 30 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard. Before that, contact me to this email to tell you about the purchasing process through a PayPal, Visa or MasterCard. We have also a full package containing more than 400 tutorials about all things in Abacus. You can see the main titles here of each section of the package. We have many also subtitles in the package. You can read about them. The cost for that is so affordable, especially for the students and engineer. If you want to have this full package, you can find it anywhere in the web. Contact me to this email. Then I will tell you about the package and purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.